Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to reset Samsung Galaxy A26. Okay, so let's begin. So basically there are two options how you can reset this phone, and I'm gonna show you all of them. So let's begin. First, let's go straight into our settings. Now we need to scroll down a little bit until we find the general management. And as you scroll down a little bit, in here you'll find the reset option. So that's what we are interested in. Also, you can back up your data before you reset your phone, because remember that resetting your phone will cause this, that all of your data will be erased from the phone permanently. So having a backup is a nice option. Also, if you don't know how to create it, there's also a video on our channel how to create such a backup. So if you want, you can look for it. Okay, so now when it comes to the reset settings, we can reset all settings by clicking this blue button. We can reset mobile network settings, reset Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth settings, and also reset accessibility settings. Okay, but we are interested in the factory data reset, which is the last option on the bottom of the screen. So we need to simply click on it, and in here you can see that all data will be erased from the phone, including and you have everything which will be included. And now you need to scroll down and tap on this blue button, reset. Then your phone will be automatically turned off and then turned on again, and then you will need to set up your phone. Okay, but there is also a second option, which is by using the recovery mode. Also, I will tell you that resetting through the settings is recommended when you have access to the phone, but the recovery mode is recommended when you don't have access to the phone, for example when it's locked. Okay, to enter the recovery mode, first we need to make sure that we have the USB-C cable, and we need to connect our phone into the PC, laptop, or into the PC or laptop. Okay, so once it's done, simply plug your phone using the USB-C cable into your PC or laptop. And now we need to turn off our phone. So we need to keep on holding the power button and the volume down button. So let's perform that. Okay, and when the screen goes black, we need to switch between the volume up, and we basically now we need to hold the power button and the volume up button. Okay, so remember, when the screen goes black, you switch from the volume down to volume up and keep holding the power button. Okay, and now we are in the recovery mode. To move around this menu, we use the volume keys, just like that. And now we need to select wipe data / factory reset. Now let's confirm by clicking the power button. As you can see, this cannot be undone. So remember about it, that you lost all of your data. So now select factory data reset, confirm. Okay, you can see on the bottom that data wipe is complete. And now you can power off your phone, but if you want to get as fast as possible into the setup process, select reboot system now, confirm. And now within a few seconds, the phone will be automatically turned on, and then you will need to set it up. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.